Hey, welcome to this Shortwave radio channel, and this is the DX step number 2 for Wednesday, February 13, 2019. So what is my DX tip today? Yesterday I talked about CFRX 6070 to try out. It's a good DX. Today is a general tip. Why not go to one of the amateur bands on your receiver and try to tune in amateur radio stations? And maybe as a DX tip, why not put yourself a goal for the day and say, I want to hear 5 different countries. I want to hear 10 different countries. Depends on how long you want to listen to. You might say, well, 10 different countries on the amateur bands? Wow, it ain't that difficult, honestly. There's so many amateur radio operators from around the world in different countries. So get acquainted, first of all, with the amateur bands, thanks to this. 80 meters, 40 meters, 20 meters. The work bands are nice, 17 meters, 18 megahertz is pretty cool. And the daytime. Whatever time it is, whatever you have as a receiver, of course, most of this will be done in single sideband. But why not make it the DX tip of the day or the week? Tell yourself, hey, today I'm only listening to ham radio operators, and I will log in a certain number of countries. A great example, I did this morning, 20 meter band, 14 megahertz. I've heard station from France, station from Croatia, one from Germany. I heard another station from Brazil. I heard a station from Guadeloupe. And of course some US hams in there. I've heard a couple of Canadian hams from the western provinces. So, it's easy to just tune around and find signals, much more signals than you might think, actually. So that's today's DX tip. Tune the amateur bands, find yourself, I don't know, at least 5 new countries. Give it a goal. 1 day, 1 week, 10 new countries. How many countries you want to have? Like I said, in a when it's not a amateur contest, 5 to 10 countries is not that difficult to do. In amateur radio contests, of course, I would tell you get 30 countries. You can easily do that in an amateur contest, but it will get you acquainted with the amateur bands. If you're not super keen, if you're not used to tuning in single sideband signals, well, it's a great way to learn and get more knowledge and understanding on how to tune them. Just remember that most of the bands above 10 megahertz is upper sideband, below 10 megahertz is lower sideband, except there's an exception for the 60 meter band, but in general, tune the bands, find yourself 5, 10, 15 countries, and you're gonna have fun, I can bet you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.